You can use your Peugeot's voice recognition system on any screen page, as long as there are no other priority operations being used, such as reverse gear, an emergency or assistance call, or a telephone call. To ensure that voice commands are recognized by the system, we advise you to use natural language, and to speak in a normal tone of voice, without cutting your words into syllables, or raising your voice. For best results, please keep the windows and sunroof closed, to avoid any outside noise. The system can differentiate between a voice command coming from the driver, or one coming from the passenger. To activate or deactivate the function, go to the Settings menu on the touchscreen, and in the list, select Voice Assistant. To launch voice recognition, say OK Peugeot, or press this button. Then, to command the air conditioning, you can say, OK Peugeot, increase fan speed. OK Peugeot, switch on the air conditioning. OK Peugeot, I'm too hot. To command the radio and medias, you can say, OK Peugeot, switch to radio mode. To command navigation, you can say, OK Peugeot, take me home. If you change your mind, you can interrupt your request. OK Peugeot, look for a charging station nearby. To make a telephone call, you can say, OK Peugeot, call Estelle. OK Peugeot, call 08 73 65.